Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create Thunderbolt text effect in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to add the black, or you can select white or just edit this PNG background to the trick. So go to text and select the full text to add the text. Okay, just for the duration, assembling with the text. And for example, so you can change for the font style as you like. You can change for the font color. And after done, you are just going to select the clips and right click and then select create component clip. Go to effect and select the nature. So you can select the lightning, create or lightning. So for example, right, you can add the sound effect. Select audio, select sound effect, just type Thunderbolt and appears. Sorry. Oops. So you can just add to the track, and you can see what. So far simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.